So we got this situation to handle. So we have given f of x, okay, and these guys are interested in finding f of this. So let's proceed. So what does this means? F of 2x upon 1 plus x square means that you have to replace x with this component. So it is log. You know that I have suggested you guys, if you are dealing with the fraction, always go with the division sign. So first component 1 minus x. So in place of x you will be writing 2x upon 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. So this is your component. Now look at this. So we got log LCM as 1 plus x square. So we got 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now this thing gone. Now can I write this thing as log? Look at the numerator. Can I write this numerator as 1 minus x whole square? And can I write down this denominator as 1 plus x whole square? Okay, so I can go with 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, now I don't want to write x minus 1 whole square because the argument of log should be positive and the responsibility depends upon this. So if I'll go with x minus 1 now, the argument will become negative. So instead of writing x minus 1 whole square, you have to write 1 minus x whole square. Now, you know that if anything is in the power of argument can come at coefficient. So it is 2 times log 1 minus x 1 plus x. Now you know that this is the f of x. So can I write we got 2 times f of x? So the result for this situation is this. I hope the idea is clear and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.